Our family's been here about 7 generations, so we've been long-term residents of Western North Carolina. This is one of the last areas of Buncombe County that is still pretty natural and agricultural. I can pass about every inch of this farm and think of a story of my dad or my aunt or my grandfather, things we did working together, just the closeness you have in a farm family, and growing up making your living off the land really teaches you stewardship like nothing else does. Buncombe has seen a huge influx of population in the last 25 to 30 years. We've seen more homesteads come in, and invasive species are a lot worse than I remember. A lot of landowners, and ourselves included, without doing a lot of homework, you don't know what resources are out there to help you.
Over 2/3 of the forests in Western North Carolina are privately owned, but less than 1/4 of those landowners have a management plan. Our nonprofit's mission is the conservation and restoration of Appalachian forests, and we achieve this through helping landowners manage their forests. We look for opportunity where we can help them find assistance, if it's through cost share programs, if it's helping them to write a management plan, or to actually implement some of the prescriptions that are called for that will make their forest healthier. The issues that sandy mush landowners encounter are not limited to just sandy mush. They're happening all over the Appalachian Mountains. Our hope is to grow this pilot project with our partners in a way that helps landowners. The goal is to bring people together around forestry so landowners can help one another by sharing ideas and experiences in a way that can be replicated in other communities. It might not happen overnight, but as they think about the legacy of their forest and what they want for their children or for their grandchildren, they know what they are doing now is going to improve that legacy.